MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Dear students, we will do MATLAB programming on linear and circular convolution in time domain. Linear convolution is the basic operation to find the output of any linear time invariant system for the given input and its impulse response. Circular convolution is the same thing, but considering that the support of the signal is periodic. The differences between linear and circular convolution. In linear convolution, the length of the input sequence can be different. In circular convolution, the length of the input sequence should be same. In linear convolution, the input sequences need not be periodic. In circular convolution, at least one of the input sequence should be periodic. In linear convolution, the output sequence is non-periodic. In circular convolutions, the output sequence is periodic. In linear convolution, if the length of the input sequence are n, l, then the output sequence length is equal to n plus l minus 1. In circular convolution, if the length of the input sequence are n, l, then the output sequence length is equals to maximum n, l. MATLAB code. CLC close all clear all for clearing the command window closes the figure and clears the workspace. Getting the input x of n and h of n from user. Finding the length of x and h. Plotting the discrete sequence of x in first position. Plotting the discrete sequence of h in second position. Linear convolution is done between x and h using convol command. Plotting the output y in third position. Max command returns the largest value between x len and h len. C convol for circular convolution. C is the length of y1. If C is not mentioned, it will behave as linear convolution. Plotting the output of circular convolution sequences in the fourth position. Already I pasted these MATLAB codes on editor window, so I can directly run the code. For x of n, I am giving the input, open the bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, close the bracket, enter. For h of n, open the bracket, 6, 7, 8, close the bracket, then enter. In the figure, first signal shows the input sequence, second one is the impulse sequence, third one is the output sequence of linear convolution sequence, fourth one is the output sequence of circular convolution. Thank you.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.